Hi, Charlotte. Where's the animals? Show us. Where do you go to the animals?
Right there on the farm.
Oh, I hear something. Joe, this way. Joey, this way, come.
She wasn't trying to hit you, she was trying to hit the fence. She was trying to get their attention. She didn't know you were.
Show her the goats. Say, look at the goats, Char. See the babies in the blue thing? The two babies? They were the twins.
Charlotte, look at the babies.
See the baby? Show her the blue babies there in the blue.
There's a critter up there. With a furry tail sticking out.
Okay, let's go see the chickens.
Oh, okay. They keep the broom up high for the goats.
Say, look at the chickens. Nina? We'll go down a little further. There, right there, Joe. Show her right there in the holes.
In the holes.
So rude.
What?
So rude. Silly day, not yours. I won't take you to Target next time then.
No, please. Watch your fingers.
Okay, this way. Okay, now we're gonna go see the piggies.
Wait, Joey, come back here. Show her the pigs.
Oh, they're outside in the mud. Look. Say, look, they're out in the mud.
Joey, come over here.
Don't touch, Char.
Come back here. Look, come by me and then turn around.
Okay, they stink. Let's go. The mother was pregnant with them the last time I saw them. That's how big they got. They're swimming in the mud.
be the farm girl, Adrian? Get in there.
And I be the farm boy.
Go on, go look, go show Charlotte the picture. Stand in front of it, turn around and say cheese. Go ahead, Nina. Stand in front of it and say cheese. Turn her around, Joe. Okay, everybody, say cheese. Wave bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.